We're at the Watauga River on the backside of the Wilbur Dam, and we're fixing to get started. We got Steve, Randy, and Bobby Darrin, and the dam is open, so we're getting ready to have some fun. I met Bobby Darrin and Adventure Steve and Mr. Randy Taylor at the Wilbur Dam Campground near Elizabethton, Tennessee. We were going to run a short little section that afternoon once the dam opened, but they had come up the night before and spent a little time camping and fishing and kayaking and just checking out the area. A nice little place and a neat little campground. But you can't tent camp or hammock camp because you're right in the middle of bear country. We woke up on that Monday morning. Bobby Darrin, he pulled out the grill and the stoves, and he started whipping us up some breakfast. And before you knew it, we were eating bacon and eggs and hash browns, having a good old country breakfast there at the campground that morning. Get us ready for the river and what it was going to throw at us that day. So this is the world famous boat that Steve found in Minneapolis. Now that's in Minnesota. And Steve is from North Carolina. He flew up there and got this boat. That's how nice these things handle. Good morning, guys. We are on the Watauga River up near Elizabethton. I believe it's Elizabethton, Tennessee. They just opened up one of the dam chutes, whatever you want to call it, and we just dropped our kayaks off at the takeout, or at the put-in, and now we're shuttling our trucks down to the takeout. So we've got about a hour drive, 30 minutes down and back, and we'll be back here in about an hour, and we're going to be ready to load up. And in about an hour, they're opening up a second side of the dam, or second chute, whatever you want to call it. So in just a little bit, we're going to have a whole lot of water coming through here, and it should be a good fun run. So come go with us. We're going to go get our paddles wet. So we got to the takeout, and Bobby Darrin has run some of this river before, and he said, man, I didn't know we were running this much. It's actually, he ran an 8-mile section and it took him about 4 hours. And we're looking at a 16-mile section. And it's 12:15. So we decided to step back and punt and kind of make a new plan. And we cut the trip in half, and we ended up going down to the Blevins Road boat ramp and scouted that out and changed that to our new takeout point. So we just took off from the Wilbur Dam, and I'm gonna tell you one thing: this water is beautiful and green up here on the Watauga River, and it's cold. It's about the middle of August, and this water is frigid. It is not warm at all up here, but it's a beautiful little river, so we're gonna go have some fun. They've opened up the dam, so we'll see what happens. So Steve's leading us in this one. Randy, you going in behind Steve?
I'm gonna go.
Are you?
You go behind him.
I'll follow in behind him. Yeah, I should have put on a spray skirt. I should have put on a spray skirt. I ran the middle chute and I ain't hot no more. So it's funny because as we travel down through here, me and Bobby were just talking. One minute you'll be wanting to put a jacket on because you can feel the cold air. I don't know if it's coming off the water or it's just in the atmosphere or what, but you can feel the cold water. And the next second, you paddle on down the river 100 yards, and it feels like you're at the ocean. And it's all hot and muggy and humid. It's just funny. We just left a hot section, and now I can feel it starting to change into a cooler again. So I guess we'll be cold here in a second. But this is a fun little river. Lots of wave trains, long rapids. Nothing really crazy yet. Some good class 2s. I don't know, maybe a 3. I would say probably 2s, 2 pluses. We're having fun. So we're sitting here. We got Bobby up front, and Bobby is in the middle of trying to decide which way we go. It seems we're coming to a island in the river, and he's trying to figure out river left or river right. And you probably can't see it on the camera, but I can see water white capping up both river right and river left. So I don't know. We're going to see which line Bobby picks for us to run, and we're going to go run it. That or don't go. I can't remember. I'm trying to slow up. All right, now you're free. Woo! Let's go. So we're at the side of the river.
I want to buy that.
We just got off and took a little break. And Randy and Steve are sharing a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. I don't know what that's about. But
Hey, peanut butter and jelly sandwich is code word for you know what.
oh, okay. So you know what they're sharing. But this is a neat little park here on the side of the river. As we were coming down, I seen some folks riding their bikes and that kind of thing. But let me kind of pan around and give you a little view of the park. And Bobby Darrin, I don't know where he's going. So it's a neat little park. If you're running this day trip like we are, this will be a good little spot to stop and have a little picnic lunch. Hang out with your family. Let your kids sit down and relax a little bit. And we're at the takeout. Wow. That was a fun little way to end it.